Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Adding multiple email accounts to Mozilla Thunderbird is a straightforward process. This helps you manage all your messages in one central location. To get started, open the Thunderbird application on your computer. Look at the main interface and locate the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings tab opens, look at the bottom left of the sidebar for a button labeled Account Actions. Click this button and choose Add Mail Account from the options provided. A new window will pop up asking for your full name, your email address, and your password. Type in your information carefully and click the Continue button. Thunderbird will automatically try to find the correct server settings for your provider like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. If it finds them, click Done to finish the setup for that specific account. You may need to sign into a browser window to authorize the connection if you use two-factor authentication. To add a second or third email, simply repeat these exact steps by going back to Account Actions and selecting Add Mail Account again. You can add as many accounts as you need without any limits. Each new account will appear in the folder pane on the left side of your screen. You can easily switch between them or use the Unified Inbox feature to see all your incoming messages in one single view. This setup keeps your professional and personal life organized within a single powerful tool that makes emailing easier every single day.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.